content, and basically like this character is very similar to your AI influencer. So you can go over there and ask, hey, can I use your videos for my AI influencer, right? The face will be different, so it's not a big deal. However, if you don't have this opportunity, you can go over to the TikTok and search for some profiles. So basically, for some girls which are looking very similar to your AI model, right? And basically afterwards ask them to record for you the videos and basically pay them for it, alright? So I think you can do a great deal with it. So this is another one idea how you can exactly do this. So maybe like some, I would say, the influencer will have, I would say, not many like the followers, and you will do this with the affordable price. The second one way is to go over to the Pexels and find some videos which are free to download, alright? Because this is free like the stock, like the platform. So for example there, you can see for some videos, look for them. So the girl which is dancing. And also there you've got some of the videos that basically you can use, alright? To swap the faces afterwards. The next one idea is to go over to the Fiverr and hire someone which will record the video for you, right? So basically there I think you can make a deal with some girls that will be eager for you to record the videos, which will be very short and basically very simple, right? And by this way, basically, you can do this entire stuff. And the last one idea to get your videos for your AI influencer is to go over to the internet and maybe search for the platforms which will actually like have, I would say, maybe the free content, so free videos overall to download, or whether you need to pay for the subscription. So basically, let's say you will pay like the $20, but there you can download maybe the 50 like the videos. So it will be, I would say, very nice. Or whether again, search for different platforms that basically allow you to like, I would say, download your perfect videos for the AI influencers. However, at the beginning, when you are starting your journey with creating the videos with your AI influencers like the face, I really recommend you to go over to the internet, maybe to some stock website and pick the free content, alright? Because afterwards you can like try it out, and later on, if you will think that this is pretty okay, you can go over and buy, I would say, some videos, or whether ask for the cooperation with some Instagram model or something like this, alright? So basically do it by this way. Again, I really recommend you to go over and firstly pick the free content to just try out this one features, alright? So basically these ones that we'll cover in the next one lectures. So finally, in this lecture we are going to exactly cover how to generate beautiful videos with the face of our AI influencer. So first things first, we need to go over and select our perfect image as a reference for our video, right? So from this image, like this face will be taken, and afterwards it will be like inserted in the video. However, I encourage you to download a few images, and this is from the simple fact. For example, like one image can work better than the other, alright? So basically like you need to experiment with it as always. And also pay attention to the fact that it's the best when the image, I would say the character on the image and the character in the video will be, I can say, quite similar, and overall this is important to have like the same one color of the hair, for example, right? So this is very important, because if you will have like the brown, I would say the image of the brown haired woman, and the video with the blonde girl, like basically you will have maybe the face which will be similar, but the entire color of the hair will be just different, alright? And even now you can guess why I like so much like the face fusion. Because there, not even we can swap the faces when it comes with the images, but actually we can go over and just upload the videos right there, alright? So even we can swap the faces, so provide the image, basically the video, and there swap the face on the video. And it will be so powerful, and basically this tool is very universal. And firstly, what we can do? We can drag and drop the image in the source, so this is the face, and that will be inserted in the video. And later on, we can go over and drag and drop the video right there. Alright? And now, basically, let's go ahead and go over and change the settings. So actually there we've got few very important metrics. The first one is the face enhancer. And later on, when we scroll down a little bit, there we've got the output video quality. We want to go over with the 100. Now, go over to the resolution, which will be for our case like the 9:16, which is the best one for the, I would say, the TikToks and the Instagram stories, for example. So we are picking the 1080 per 1920. And now we need to increase the video FPS, alright? So it will increase the smoothness of our video. And now actually we can go over and start, I would say, the entire process. And basically it can take from the 5 minutes to the 10, or whether the 3. That depends from the settings. So there it will take more time because we have the bigger resolution, the bigger amount of the FPS, and the better quality overall. And basically there, this one video, I would say, have the 15 seconds of the length, alright? So it will take some time. And after some time, we've got our results. Basically, I uploaded a few different the images and a few different videos. So basically, this is the first one video. And actually, this is our image. And now we've got our the video of our AI influencer. Basically, we need to pay attention that this is, I would say, not very realistic. However, it is great for, I would say, AI generated, the video for the TikToks. So basically, now you can see, these videos in comparison to the images are definitely AI generated. However, I see the TikTok, I would say the profile, which has, I would say, consistent videos of the AI generated model, alright? And basically by this way, we can just create different and various videos with our AI influencer face, very effortlessly. And also we need to remember that this one tool that we are using for now is totally for free. So basically there you can create a lot of different videos out there. Try different images, alright? Different source videos. And a lot of stuff to work with, alright? Basically go over there and just try it out by yourself. For example, there I use another one image. And there I just use this one video. And now we can see the results. Let's go over right there and see what we have. And this is pretty nice. I really love it. Despite the fact that this is looking like the AI generated, we've got the consistent face in each the time of the video, right? So this is so powerful. And definitely this is something very, very great. Also remember to try out different, I would say, the images. For example, I like more this one video than the previous one. Because, for instance, I use different the sources. So obviously we've got the different woman's face. And for that case, it works even better for this one video. If you would like to download some output video, you need to go over, as always, to the right top corner of the video. And now click on the download. So in this lecture, we exactly covered how we can create our videos with our AI influencer the face. I must admit, it's not looking very realistic. However, I see the TikTok profile, which has, I would say, the AI generated content, alright? So this kind of the form of providing, I would say, the entire the videos, or whether the TikToks. Just even remember that you need to decide for yourself which one form of the content you would I would say, to provide, alright? Even it will be the TikToks or just the images on the Instagram profile. Or even, for example, you can go over and just, I would say, provide the images per day on the Instagram, and sometimes, for example, once per week, just provide the videos for your AI influencer. With this the course, you've got a lot of possibilities. You can create the images, consistent images for them, the videos, and so on and so on. So basically every time you can go over there and search for the new possibilities. If something doesn't fit your requirements, every time remember you can go over and switch the type of content that you can provide, alright? So I think this is very, very powerful. With this one method that we covered in this lecture, we can create the AI generated the videos with our, I would say, the AI influencers the face. For now, this is everything, and I will see you in the next one videos where we are going further and further into the entire the AI influencer concept. So let's discover now extremely powerful software that will allow us to generate high quality videos for our AI influencers. And I'm talking about the tool which is called the Maya Create. The link will be in the resources of this material. Basically there you need to go over and just sign up and set up your account, alright? Afterwards, when we are there, we can go over to the AI face swap. And there we can do a lot of stuff. For example, photo face swap, video face swap, or whether multiple face swap. For now, we are interested in the video the face swap, so we can go over and click on it. And now basically there, we need to upload our video, and next up the photo. And simply when we do this, we need to go over ahead and click on swap face now. And after a while, we've got our result. let's go over ahead and click on the download right there. So there even we can go over there to the pricing and see the entire pricing. We've got like the 4 minutes of the video for just $13. And basically like one video can have, I would say, up to 10 seconds. So with that being said, basically you can create like 24 videos with buying like this one subscription for the $13. And actually even you can go over and post your videos, for instance, like once per week. And with that being said, you've got, I would say, like the 6 months of just providing the content to your like the profile. So I think this is not a huge price. I would say for this one, I would say the kind of the tool. However, just I would say like decide for yourself. Even you can go over and use the free one tool that we previously covered, alright? So feel free again to decide for yourself. However, I'm showing you this tool because I think the results are there very captivating and very solid.